And there I was on my deathbed, and I realized, man, I wasted my entire life, and I didn't do what was truly most important to me. No person wants to be in that position. What's going on, guys? It's your coach, Trev Bucheri here. Thank you so much for joining me today. And today we're talking about the why behind everything we do. So many of us feel that much of our time is wasted. Many of the things that we're doing, we're not actually getting anything out of, and that may be true. So it's time to actually analyze, man, what is the why behind our action? What are we doing? All right, and why are we doing it? Many times we actually forget to realize the why behind it. Things that we are like, oh man, I can't stand doing this. I can't stand doing this. We don't even realize how it's actually impacting our lives in terms of benefiting us. When we say, man, I hate my job. Well, realizing the fact that it actually is supporting, say, your family or supporting your means, or it's actually that lily pad that's going to lead you to the next lily pad, that's going to lead you to the next level that you're looking to go to, and then really honoring it and seeing it for what it is, and then actually smashing it, doing the best you possibly can in that particular position so that you can actually jump to that next lily pad faster and jump to that next lily pad faster. Because if we spend all of our time not realizing the why behind what we're doing, we're going to start resenting what we're doing, and we're going to find ourselves neutral. So it's really just actually going through, and what this is most powerful doing is going through those areas that you're resenting, the things that you don't like in your life, and you're saying, why am I doing this? What does doing this benefit? How does this benefit me? Now, say if you're doing a job that you hate, you could find, well, it's supporting my family, or well, it's supporting my next step. You know what? This is it, or this is a dead end position. I don't know why I'm doing this. This is actually what I was planning on doing for the rest of my life, but I hate it, and I want to actually move on to something different. So wherever it's going to actually guide you, it's so important to identify that why, because none of us want to be on our deathbed and saying, man, I wasted my entire life. I didn't do what I really wanted to do. I didn't do what was the most fulfilling for me, because we're all going to do actions. All of us are going to have a job. All of us are going to have a career, of course. All right. We need to sustain ourselves. We need to support ourselves. All right. I'm just using this for an example, but we might as well be having a strong why behind it. We might as well be able to do that, say career or wherever we're talking about, with purpose behind it and with appreciation for it. All right. Because we all do things that maybe we don't love doing, right? But if we can actually say, well, why am I doing this? Or how is this benefiting me? How is this benefiting me? Because how is this benefiting me is actually going to give you the why. How is this benefiting me? Man, it's enabling me to support my wife. It's enabling me to support my 3 sons. Man, now I have a complete different level of appreciation for it, because I know how much it's actually contributing to them, which is the most important thing to me. So that gives me such a huge why, and now I'm going to go out and smash that thing as opposed to resent it. And that's going to, again, lead me to that next step faster, and that's what this is all about. So hope this resonates with you. Hope you got a ton out of this. It's your coach, Trev Bucheri. I appreciate your time here. You have an incredible rest of your day. Take care.